Okay, I want to just show you a quick and easy fix for the power off problem that the Sony XA1 phone has. So this phone I bought quite cheap recently, and I thought I'll have a go at fixing it, but not really wanting to take it all apart to fix it. So basically, I'll show you the problem. If you put a pressure on the back, just where this little logo is, it tends to switch off. So I'll just show you. There you go. So it goes off, and then you can't start the phone again without plugging it first into the charger and then pressing the power on button. So what I worked out is if you use a suction pad that you might use to take screens off old phones, what you can do is you can leverage this back plate enough to, I'll just show you, to get some card underneath. So can you see that gap there? So I'll just see if I can get some cardboard in there. Okay, so I've turned the phone back on, and basically, as you can see, I've pushed some card up so it basically would cover this little logo, which is where the pressure point was. So let's just see if it has any effect. So I'm going to put pressure now here, and I'm pushing hard, and as you can see, the display is staying on. So the ideal thing here would be to trim the card so it just fits inside the case, and then just leave as is. That's much better than trying to take the case off and applying tape, and is, I think, a good fix to save you guys some money. So I hope you like this short video. Please subscribe if you do, and I'll basically see if I can put some more videos on for some easy fixes. Thank you for watching.